I'm coming to you, Dinesh, in the sense that when you look at numbers pre-pandemic and post-pandemic, I'll take your example of your own film, says Three. Three would do, and you would know the numbers best, obviously, but it would be, say, about 180 to 200 crore. But when you make a Three 2, it crosses 800 crore. It's the same film in a sense, the same franchise, but it's 4 times post-pandemic. Likewise with Chhaava, if I'm not mistaken, that was also hitting about 800 crore plus, something that we hadn't seen before. It wasn't common. Does that allow you as a producer an economy of scale where you can actually up your budget? Of course, there's risk, but there's risk in everything.
So I think I'll divide your question into two parts. If you look at what Chuck was saying about American films, they have spent time and effort to build an international market. It requires focusing on it. I'm talking about beyond Indians, and it requires money. So we'll need to do that. We don't have that organized. Like everyone says, content is king, but a very wise man told me distribution is God. So I don't think our films reach there, for which we'll have to work on it. Yeah. The second part is the content of it.
Yes.
I think we're in a very interesting space. I think any example that you take of content from a region breaking out in the world first explodes in that region. I think post-pandemic, we're finally getting our act together. You know, we are understanding that stories need to be made for the common man. You take the example of Stree and Chhaava. I don't think cities come to the theater on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'm talking about main cities.
Really?
I think they wait till, all of us here wait to know for sure it's good because it's expensive. It requires time and become later. So people in smaller towns are coming in, and in the last 10 years, we are not aspirational to the West. We want stories about ourselves. And we are the only country that has such a rich culture. But we as filmmakers somewhere stopped looking. I think Stree and Chhaava are examples of stories in our own culture, as local as it gets, and they've exploded. The second step, when films do that kind of business in your own market, is you have the capital to expand. So we are attempting to make, Mahavatar, which is probably the largest film we've ever made, and we want to make it, there is the technology available to make a world-class film.
Right.
And because the films have worked, you are willing to take that risk.
Right.
But then again, we'll have to work on the distribution.
Absolutely.
I think another thing that can help us go international is if collaboration. So just to throw it out there, if in the pre-climax of Stree, for 5 minutes you had Spider-Man, you're going to explode. But is that possible? But every big brand is collaborating. Everybody wants India. So if there is a swap like that, we can go international and they get our indigenous market. So I think it's right there. Hopefully in the next 2 years, we're going to really push it to, change that ratio, because our ratios, except a few examples, are 80-20. So to go there, we'll need to push quality, and we'll need to make our content go global through distribution.